Morning. Today we will discuss how to acquire analog signal using Arduino Uno with the help of Arduino IDE. For that purpose, I just use a potentiometer. Over here I have a potentiometer, and the potentiometer have three ports, one for VCC, one for ground, and the middle one for the output signal of potentiometer. Basically this will work as a voltage divider. Okay, so the connection is the VCC is connected to the 5 volt and ground is connected to the ground, and the middle one is connected to the analog A0 port on the Arduino Uno, as you see. So right now we just go to the software part. As you see over here, right now I just print the value of this potentiometer, or you can say the value of output voltage we can check on our serial print. So I just copy this program and just go to the Arduino IDE. Over here I just copy it. So in the first void setup, just serial begin, put the baud rate of Arduino Uno, that is 9600. In the loop you just put int sensor value. There is a variable, the variable is sensor value, that is equal to analog read. Right now the pin connected is A0, so the pin is A0. Then serial dot print ln, that is sensor value, that is our value from the potentiometer, the voltage value from the potentiometer. And over here the delay of 10 milliseconds is there, so I just burn this program into the Arduino IDE, into the Arduino Uno using Arduino IDE. So the board is selected and COM port is selected. Just hit on run button, save the program. It will take hardly 1 minute. So right now, as you see, the uploading is done, and when I hit on run button, not run button, on the serial monitor, so the value of the voltage, in this case the VCC is connected to the 5 volt. When the 5 volt is there, as you see, when I move the potentiometer, the value increases, and when it is maximum, the value is 1023. The maximum value is 1023. Right now the value from the potentiometer is 5 volt, goes to the A0 pin, and when I move this on the serial port, you can see the readings changed, and you just put a formula. According to this formula, the value will display in the voltage also. So right now the 0 volt is equivalent to 0, as you see. So this is how you can read analog signal using Arduino Uno with the help of Arduino IDE software. So thank you.